Welcome guys to a Mr. Mastodon video, and today we are going to be playing some more Treasure Chest Simulator. And I know my avatar looks so weird, but this is how it looks, guys. Because soon there'll be I like emojis, so I decided to name a little like my avatar Emoji Town. And as you see, we are going down many stuff. Oh my god! There is the end! This is the end of the hole, guys. We're at the end of the hole. Oh my god. Oh my god. How is this a thing? How are we at the end of the hole? Okay, we thought there would be many colors, but instead there is more than many. There is so much we want to put on the vacuum. Take some stuff. We're gonna take all the chests as we can, as much as we can, and hope for the best. Okay, you can go. Okay, you see, today, I can't believe we reached the end of the hole. There is no end to the hole, basically, but we technically reached it. So, there isn't really an end, but I can't believe there is like a type of, I can't believe that was there. I can't believe we were there at the place where you can't really go, but at the end, I can't believe there's an end. So let's just go quickly to the surface and let's try to find that hole we were in, because that was a very interesting hole. So let's try to find it. And as you see, we just want to find the dynamite, as I said last time. So yeah, we just want to find the dynamite now. And we're just going to take this and that and this. Okay, guys, we're in a situation like this when you don't know what to do and you don't want to fall. You just do your PG down, because you can take many chests without falling. You see, when it's too far, you can't grab it. And you see this, let's say this is absolutely too far, so yeah, let's just PG this back up. And you see, this is when you jump. This is when you have to jump. And that was a lucky fall for us. That was a lucky fall that we fell here. So let's just keep going. And take those chests. You see, we are getting very lucky with these falls. And oh, I almost fell with that there. Okay, here we're gonna PG up. Like I said, PGing up is IP down is really good when you're in a situation like this. So we're just going to take as many chests as we can find. For some reason that chest I can't get. But don't worry guys. We're gonna get the next chest. Okay, let's just quickly do this. And wait. I see a chest. Do you see that? I don't think you see it, but there, see? We need to get a lucky fall. We need a lucky fall. Lucky fall. What are we doing? Look, guys, we are in the pink zone. I have no idea how much these chests. I just who's putting those nukes? Cause I'm so interested. Does he realize we're near the bottom? Does he realize we're gonna die? Does he know? I don't think he knows. Does he know? Does he know? Cause I don't think he knows. Cause if he knows, he's weird. But I remember I saw the chest. The chest, like the chest. I wish there was a way you could fly in this game. Because apparently you can fly. In this game. Does he realize we're in the bottom? Oh, this guy's a black hole. But does he realize we're in the bottom? I don't think he knows there's a bottom. There's a bottom. At the bottom can absolutely kill you. Right, guys? Oh, I just saw a chest. I saw D chest. I saw D chest. I just saw it. I just saw the legendary Majig chest. These people are ruining my life. Get out of here. No, why'd you push me? Do you see it? We're going to the surface, guys. We know there was a guy with black hole, but we know he is not going to help us. Right? So our goal is to get to 18,000. Look, does you know what we want to buy now? I'll show you what we want to buy now. Come on, guys. I'll tell everybody it's a video. It's a video. It's on YouTube. It is enter video. you too. Okay, I'll show you what I want. That's what I want. See that diamond? That's what I want. See, let's see the backpack we want. The next backpack. The backpack will be. Oh, you see the beautiful backpack. Let's see the last one. Okay. Well, now we know that there's an infinity backpack for 800 Robux. We're not gonna buy it though. But we're gonna go right here. See, we're going to go for 80,000, I think it was, yeah. And we are going to go back down there. We're not going too down. Because we know that there's a bottom. And I can't believe we went there. Oh, guys, I just saw an epic chest. Get lucky fall, get lucky fall, get lucky. Come on, we better get lucky. Make us lucky. Oh, we literally float. Oh, make us the lucky one. Come on, make us the legendary chest. Chances. Do we realize we're near the bottom? We're near the bottom, the bottom. Let me get a chest, kid. 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 Yes. We get 75,000. It's not so good, but we still got a lot of money. We do not want to go to the private islands, but hey, let's see if we can say no. You can't. No, the thing blocked it. The app blocked the swimming pool, the islands. Let's make this a lucky one. No, I don't want to be near you. Where's the rest of the hole? This guy made the hole. That's right, this guy. Can you break it? Help me break it. Yeah, he does not help. Yeah, does he help? Will he help? No, he will not help. Let's go to the surface because that was weird. Okay, you see, guys. Oh, guys. I see a little room here and oh my god, the Tower of Treasure. The Tower of Treasure. That is true. Wait, the Tower. No, we're back here. No, guys. That was just a tragedy. That was very sad and disappointing. Oh my god, please don't tell me this is the one. No, I think it is. It is. Yeah, it is. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. It's the hole. No, guys, the dig site's about to collapse. Guys, this means we get a little chance to do a razzle dazzle. Here is where it'll be raining coins.